Welcome to Afflys, the ultimate destination for those aspiring to achieve wealth, luxury, and success through dedication and hard work. Today, we're exploring how to live a luxury lifestyle on a budget. You don't need to break the bank to enjoy the finer things in life. With smart planning and thoughtful choices, you can experience luxury without overspending. Let's dive into our tips for living affluently on a budget. Number 1. Prioritize your spending. The first step to living luxuriously on a budget is prioritizing your spending. Identify what luxury means to you, whether it's dining out, travel, fashion, or home decor. Focus your budget on these areas and cut back on less important expenses. By prioritizing, you can indulge in what matters most to you without feeling deprived. Number 2. Hunt for deals and discounts. You don't have to pay full price to enjoy luxury items and experiences. Sign up for newsletters from your favorite brands, follow deal websites, and use apps that offer discounts on high-end products and services. Look out for seasonal sales, clearance events, and discount codes. With a bit of patience and research, you can find great deals on luxury items. Number 3. Embrace minimalism. A minimalist approach to luxury focuses on quality over quantity. Invest in a few high-quality items that bring you joy and serve multiple purposes. This can apply to clothing, furniture, and even technology. A well-chosen, timeless piece can elevate your lifestyle and provide long-lasting value without the need for constant replacement. Number 4. DIY home decor. Creating a luxurious home environment doesn't have to be expensive. DIY home decor projects can add a personal touch and high-end feel to your space. From painting furniture to creating custom art pieces, there are countless ways to elevate your home on a budget. Look for inspiration online and get creative with materials you already have. Number 5. Travel smart. Luxury travel can be affordable with the right strategies. Use travel rewards programs, credit card points, and airline miles to book flights and accommodations. Consider traveling during off-peak seasons for lower prices and fewer crowds. Additionally, look for boutique hotels, Airbnb options, or house-sitting opportunities to enjoy a luxurious stay without the hefty price tag. Number 6. Indulge in affordable luxuries. There are many small luxuries you can enjoy without spending a fortune. Think about a gourmet meal at home, a relaxing spa day using DIY treatments, or a beautifully curated wardrobe from thrift stores. These affordable indulgences can provide the same sense of luxury and enjoyment as their more expensive counterparts. Number 7. Take advantage of free and low-cost experiences. Many luxurious experiences are available for free or at a low cost. Explore local parks, museums, and cultural events that offer rich experiences without high prices. Attend free wine tastings, gallery openings, and community concerts. By seeking out these opportunities, you can enjoy a vibrant, affluent lifestyle without overspending. Number 8. Learn to cook gourmet meals at home. Dining at high-end restaurants regularly can be costly, but you can recreate the experience at home. Invest in a few quality kitchen tools and ingredients, and learn to cook gourmet meals. There are plenty of online tutorials and cookbooks that can guide you in making restaurant-quality dishes at a fraction of the price. Number 9. Focus on self-care and wellness. Luxury isn't just about material possessions, it's also about how you feel. Prioritize self-care and wellness practices that promote a sense of luxury and well-being. This can include regular exercise, mindfulness practices, skincare routines, and setting aside time for relaxation. These habits can enhance your quality of life and make you feel pampered without spending a lot of money. Number 10. Invest in timeless fashion pieces. A well-curated wardrobe with timeless fashion pieces can make you look and feel luxurious. Invest in classic, versatile items that can be mixed and matched for various occasions. Quality over quantity is key here. Choose pieces that are well-made and will stand the test of time. Shopping secondhand or at consignment stores can also provide access to high-end fashion at a lower cost. Living a luxury lifestyle on a budget is all about making smart choices and prioritizing what truly matters to you. By incorporating these tips, you can enjoy the finer things in life without overspending. Thank you for watching Afflys. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are on their journey to affluence. Don't forget to subscribe to Afflys for more inspiring and educational content. Remember, the road to affluence starts with a single step. Keep striving, stay motivated, and together, we'll achieve greatness. See you in the next video.